Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best shallow pool is probably one of the most exciting products I've reviewed this year. It's designed to bring fun and relaxation to your backyard. Whether you're looking to cool off on a hot summer day or create a space for the kids to play, this pool has got you covered. Today, we're diving deep into its features, design, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right fit for your needs. Number 5. SplashEZ 69-foot non-slip splash pad. Introducing the SplashEZ. This splash pad features a non-slip surface, ensuring your little ones and furry friends can play safely. It's the perfect way to enjoy some fun in the sun without any worries. The SplashEZ is designed for everyone, including your dogs. The pour-resistant materials and unique design will have everyone excited. Get ready for a summer filled with laughter and joy. With a spacious 69-inch surface, this splash mat is big enough for the whole family. Gather your kids and dogs for endless hours of fun. It's the ultimate summer accessory for creating lasting memories. Keep your kids and dogs cool and safe with the SplashEZ. It's a shallow wading pool with an anti-slip surface. Plus, it's BPA and phthalates free, so you can have peace of mind while they play. We are an American company dedicated to providing top-notch service. If you're not satisfied, our friendly team is here to help. We are committed to ensuring your complete satisfaction. What we like? This splash pad features a non-slip surface, ensuring safety for both kids and pets. It's designed with pour-resistant materials, making it perfect for furry friends. If you have little ones and pets who love to play in the water, this is the perfect choice for a fun and safe summer. What people say. The pool is easy to set up and take down. The size is perfect for my small backyard. The kids love playing in it for hours. Number 4. SWIMLINE Suntan Tub Inflatable Lounge Float. Introducing the SWIMLINE Suntan Tub, the perfect way to unwind on the water. This inflatable lounge float is designed for ultimate comfort, allowing you to soak up the sun in style. It's the ideal companion for your next lake, river, or pool adventure. This lounge features a built-in headrest and ribbed interior for hours of relaxation. The design ensures you can lounge comfortably for extended periods. It's like having your own personal oasis on the water. The Suntan tub doubles as a mini water station. Fill it with water to stay cool while you tan. The clear top design keeps you refreshed as you enjoy the sun. Integrated pad eyes and a grab line provide complete maneuverability. You can easily tie it to other floats and enjoy the company. It's designed for stability and fun on the water. Made with heavy-duty, UV-resistant vinyl, this float is built to last. It includes a repair patch for added convenience. It's easy to inflate, deflate, and store for your next water adventure. The SWIMLINE Suntan Tub measures 70 by 46 by 8 inches. It's a spacious and comfortable float for relaxing in the sun. Enjoy the perfect blend of comfort and durability. What we like? This lounger is built for ultimate comfort with its integrated headrest and ribbed interior. The durable construction ensures it can withstand the elements. If you are looking for a relaxing way to soak up the sun in the lake, river, or pool, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The pool is easy to set up. The size is perfect for my 1- and 3-year-old. It is a great size for the kids to play in. Number 3. Grippapool, 2-in-1 inflatable kiddie pool. This is Grippapool, an innovative inflatable pool designed for both kids and adults. It's perfect for helping little ones build confidence in the water. The pool features unique, patent-pending side rail grip handles. These handles provide extra balance and stability, making it easier to enjoy the water. The soft, cushioned floor ensures comfort while splashing around. It's also great for sunbathing, providing a relaxing experience. With a 65x39x 10-inch inflated size, it comfortably fits small kids. It can also be used as a small tanning pool for adults. It's easy to inflate and deflate with a regular air pump. This makes it portable and perfect for vacations or backyard fun. Grippapool helps children conquer their fears and gain independence in the water. It improves motor skills and coordination while learning to swim. What we like? This pool features innovative side rail grip handles for added stability and confidence in the water. The soft cushioned floor provides comfort. If you are looking for a pool that helps children build confidence in the water while also being suitable for adults to sunbathe, this is a great option. What people say. The pool is easy to set up. The size is perfect for my 1 and 3-year-old. It is a great size for my toddler to play in. Number 2. Intex rectangular frame pool 8.5 foot x 26 inches. Looking for a way to cool off this summer? This pool is perfect for kids ages 6 and up. It's a great way to have fun outdoors and enjoy the warm weather. Setting up this pool is a breeze. It's designed for easy assembly and can be ready for water in just 30 minutes. The durable steel frame ensures it will last for many seasons of fun. The pool features a strong, powder-coated steel frame that resists rust. The heavy-duty PVC and polyester sidewalls are built to withstand plenty of splashing. This ensures the pool remains sturdy and beautiful. Draining the pool is simple with the convenient drain plug. You can easily connect it to a garden hose to direct the water away from your house. This makes cleanup a snap. The package includes the swimming pool and easy-to-follow setup instructions. Please note that a pump, filter, cover, and ladder are not included. Get ready for hours of fun with this amazing pool. The pool is made of heavy-duty PVC and polyester materials. It's designed for ages 6 and up, and comes in a refreshing blue color. The dimensions are 8.5 by 5.3 by 2.13 feet, providing ample space for splashing and playing. What we like. This pool is easy to assemble and ready for water in just 30 minutes. The durable steel frame ensures it will last for many summers. If you are looking for a simple and sturdy pool for your backyard, this is a great choice. What people say. The pool is easy to set up and take down. It's a great size for my toddler and the perfect height. The pool is sturdy and well made. Number 1. Intex 10 foot x 30 inches metal frame above ground pool. Get ready for summer fun in just 30 minutes. This pool is designed for quick and easy setup. You can have it filled with water and ready to enjoy in no time. The innovative T-joint design makes assembly a breeze, with no tools required. This means less time assembling and more time enjoying the water. It's simple and efficient. Enjoy improved water hygiene and clarity with dual suction outlet fittings. This feature enhances water circulation, keeping the water clean and inviting. The pool holds a generous 1,185 gallons. Built to withstand the rigors of summer fun, this pool is made with puncture-resistant 3-ply PVC material. It's designed to last, and a patch is included for any unexpected damage. The included pump filters 330 GPH and uses hydroaeration technology. This provides improved circulation and filtration, leading to clearer water and increased negative ions. It's a complete package for a refreshing experience. What we like. This pool is ready for water in just 30 minutes, making setup quick and easy. It's made with puncture-resistant material, ensuring durability. If you like a pool with a filter pump and want to spend more time enjoying the water, this is the perfect option. What people say. The pool is easy to set up and take down. The size is perfect for my 2-year-old. It's a great size for kids to splash around in. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.